It's a further math topic, sum and product of roots. So it's in a quadratic equation. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. So if we expand it, we get a x square minus beta times x minus alpha times x plus alpha times beta equals to 0, and we multiply inside, so it's ax square minus a alpha plus beta in the middle and x plus a times alpha beta. If we compare it with the standard equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we can compare the coefficients. So minus a alpha plus beta is equals to b. So coefficient of x we are comparing. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a. This is sum of the roots of the equation equals to minus b over a. This is how sum of roots is related to the coefficient of the quadratic equation. Similarly, if we compare constant term here, a times alpha beta with the coefficient in the standard equation, which is c. So the product of the roots is c over a. That's the sum of the roots minus b over a, and the product of the roots c over a. If we do the same for the cubic equation, we have to expand it first. So it's a times x minus alpha. So I'm expanding these two brackets first. So it's x square minus gamma x minus beta x plus gamma times beta equals to 0. Now we multiply x minus alpha inside. So it's a times x cube minus alpha gamma x, and then is minus beta x square. Wait, let me make this correction. So this is x cube minus gamma x square minus beta x square plus gamma beta x. Now we multiply alpha inside the bracket, so it's minus alpha x square plus alpha gamma x plus alpha beta x minus alpha beta and gamma in the end. And now we will multiply a inside later. Let me take x square common from the terms, so it's x cube minus, so from these three terms we can take x square commons and minus sign common, so we have alpha plus beta plus gamma. X is outside, and then for the from these terms x, where x is involved, we can take x common, so it's going to be plus alpha beta and alpha gamma and beta gamma. X is outside, and then in the end we have the product of roots, which is alpha beta and gamma equals to 0, so we put a outside. So it's ax cube minus a alpha plus beta plus gamma x plus a times of alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, x outside, minus a alpha beta and gamma. So if we compare it with the standard cubic equation, which is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0, we'll compare the coefficients here. So coefficient comparison gives us minus a alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to b. So the sum of roots in a cubic equation is alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b over a, So b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x cube in this. Now this coefficient of x in this equation, which is alpha beta, so it is the sum of the product of pairs. So alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. So a is on the left side, I'll take it to the other side. So this is equals to c. So c over a. So this is the sum of the product of pairs. So this is another result. So this is the first result. That's the second result we have. And then in the end, minus a alpha beta and gamma is equals to d. So that's the product of the roots. So when the three roots are being multiplied, the result is minus d over a, where d is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x cube.